Let's create our main title text. I am using Airbud font family for our main title. Now center anchor point and set title as center of the composition. Now create rectangle shape covering our main title with fill and center align it to composition. Duplicate the rectangle layer and add stroke to it, also remove fill from it. Now change the fill rectangle layer name to matte. Now apply trim path animation on stroked rectangle layer and let's animate trim path with start property from value of 100 to value of 1.0 with maintaining distance of 30 frames between two animation keys. Then jump back 10 frames and apply end key with value of 100 and jump ahead 30 frames and apply one more end key with value of 1.0. Select main title layer and apply set matte effect on it from effect menu. Choose matte layer and also effect and mask option and set matte effect. Now apply position animator on our main title text layer and change X position as I showed. Jump into animators advanced option, change shape to ramp down, ease high value at 35% and ease low value at 50%. Now let's animate offset property and position animator from -100 value to +100 value with distance of 45 frames between two animation keys. Jump into stroke layer trip path animator and change offset value at +199 to get desired animation style. Now let's create our subtitle, for which I used Archivo font family, and place subtitle and composition as I did. Now open position property of subtitle text layer and separate dimension. Apply Y position animation as I showed with 25 frame distance between two animation keys. Now apply set matte effect on subtitle text layer and choose matte layer and also change to effect and mask also with applying checkmark on alpha invert option. Congratulations! Our stroke reveal motion title animation is ready to use. If you have any queries, please mention in comments.